We're following up on a story we brought you yesterday about two Louisiana families who were on what authorities called a religious journey. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Jade Moreau. Their concerned families took to law enforcement for help, but were surprised when their efforts didn't cross state lines. 7 News explains why. From Vernon Parish, Justin and Heather Brister and their 2 children, Mason and Cannon, left Louisiana in early September with another family from Iberia Parish, Joshua, Brittany, and Nathaniel. Their families telling 7 News they had not had any contact with them after going on a spiritual trip. The sheriff as well asking them to reach out, concerned about their well-being. One set of grandparents even went so far as to get temporary custody granted to them while they figured it out. Wednesday, the families were finally tracked down at a homeless shelter in Phoenix, but police wouldn't honor the custody order and take the children. Many commenting on the families' updates on social media were questioning why.
What typically has to be done is you have to have a judge in the other state formally recognize the Louisiana judgment. It's a legal process called declaring a foreign judgment executory.
Judson says the family would need to hire an attorney located in the area the family was staying in. The local attorney would go through a civil procedure process.
The out-of-state judgment would then sign off on a Texas judgment or an Alabama judgment or an Arizona judgment or wherever it is, saying that I, the judge in the foreign state, hereby find that this is a valid Louisiana judgment, and I'm going to give it full faith and credit, and it is now recognized by our state. And then it can be enforced at that point.
He says if law enforcement determines a potential crime has been committed, then it can change the process.
Law enforcement can go through a whole criminal process by which they can get on the phone and get with other out-of-state law enforcement people and start trying to get investigations going.
Judson says it's a common scenario and suggests the family be persistent in their efforts.